just made a post saying that I haven't got Tartarus yet after I collected all 5 fragments and I got all these other things, and then I get it. My previous recording just died. I had to capture a lot of times that this Tartarus, which ruined the recording, but I got a cursed idol, so I'm kind of cooked. Redacted survival. Disasters. Redacted survival! To me instantly. To me insanely. However you pronounce it. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is gonna make me cry. Nostalgia from the last time I had Tartarus. 2 freaking years ago. I don't think that sucks though. 8:55, 8:56, 8:57, 8:58, 8:59, 9 o'clock. Hello. I did not think I would survive. I'm scared. The last time I played, it was in Death Valley. Oh, lava flood. That's nice. That's fine. The last time I had Tartarus, I survived until phase 2. Well, really, phase 3. When, right before it really started, like right after the map tilted. Cursed Idol TAU is playing. That's nice. I don't want that to happen. Thanks. I got hit by lightning and died. I got struck by lightning. I could never get over that moment. Then joined back in and I didn't die once. Oh, I don't like hearing that. I don't like hearing that. It's halfway. Alright. You know, I think I might be cooked though because I have what's in my 5th inventory slot. I am very scared. Oh. Well, at least I'll probably do better than my friend did yesterday. Well, not yesterday. What am I saying? A few, like around a week or 2 or so. He got Tartarus faster than I did today. It's the first time I got Tartarus. And he died to a tsunami. Well, at the same time, I don't really blame him because he kind of just started playing, and the best thing he had was this. So, yeah. I better survive at least phase 1. Do not resist. Become a sacrifice to the warmer. I don't want to. I'm shaking right now. I cannot die. Oh. Flood, that lava flood. This is. I have a curse. Yeah, it's been loading with an idol. I have a cursed idol. I'm shaking. I am shaking. I am shivering right now. I cannot be interrupted. If I die, I'm going to be crying. I'm going to be in tears. Because this is rare and hard, and I can't die. If I die, I swear. Yeah, I have a cursed idol. This is scary. I just uploaded the Tajiri video. Yeah. You know, I joined the server of Doomsday. Then I had like Tajiru, Krampus, all this other stuff. And then there's just Tartarus. This is an insane server. This is an insane server. This server is... I'm shivering so much. Yeah, just jump. Just jump, that's what you want to do. This is scary. This is scary. Yeah, it has. Why am I checking this again? I don't know. I need something to do. What's the stats? I can't. Yeah, I need to survive 100 Tartaruses. Has anybody achieved that? Has anybody achieved mastery for Tatar survivals? Oh. So, that's an excellent system. This map is terrible for Acid Rain. Oh wait, they're smart. Going under here is actually the best option. Because there's a whole structure above us. Unless it disappears, then maybe not. I'm gonna stay here for now though. This has a lowly question. I don't like this. If that thing disappears, we're all cooked. Why does it have to be Acid Rain? How long would this be? Better be short. Acid Rain's hard. Well, it's not really hard, but like it's hard in this map. Difficulty with an idol. Why is that guy up there? Is that the best choice of options? Is it? Six people have died so far. This video might just be me like yapping over and over. So to keep this entertaining when nothing's really happening. I shouldn't say that, I don't want to. Oh, Phil, your destiny is not something you can outrun. It could be. Could be. Is there anybody over there right now? I think the whole entire server's out here. Some people showing bravery in the face of it. However, resistance is futile. The time has come to bow down to your new leader. No, that happens if everybody dies. Okay, yeah. How did that take 3 hours? It's only been 2 minutes, 8 minutes. 12 o'clock, halfway through. You know what's weird? I died at 3 AM for my first tutorials. Volcano. I don't like that. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. This is basically like Doomsday now, except yeah. It's going to erupt. Oh, it is? I didn't know that. I thought it was just there. Super eruption. Because, why is the whole screen shaking? I can't deal with that. Oh. No, 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 I'm not gonna die. I am not.